Hello and welcome. In section 3, he'll be detecting mean tweets. Let's first look at our project goals. So our end goal is to judge if a tweet or short text is negative. This is our end goal. Having a piece of text, we want to judge if this piece of text is considered to be mean. And this will be our excuse to first and foremost learn how to work with text in deep learning. There are a couple of things that you need to be aware of before you can use text in deep learning models. And we will also learn how to use a convolutional neural network for text classification, and you'll learn what usually is used to work with images, how those networks, very effective networks, can be used for working with text as well. So let's look at our project's plan. So the first step, and this is a very important step, is to prepare our data. And the problem that we're trying to solve here is called sentiment analysis in machine learning lingo. And this step is very important because you will see how when you prepare data in a different way, you will get a different accuracy of our model. So this step is really important. Then we will learn how to build convolutional neural network for text classification. There are a couple of things you need to be aware about that. We'll use so-called word embeddings here, recent invention that allow us to get a really nice results. Then we will train and test our model with the data that we've prepared to find the best model that we can get. And here you'll learn which metrics are important, what you should look for when training and testing your model to get the best model that you can get. And the last step is to actually use this model to detect those tweets, and then we'll explore what we can do even more to improve the performance of our model.